So we have a photograph on Facebook. It's got quite a bit. People are saying, how do you get your cauliflower so big? And how do you get your broccoli so big? I'll just tell you this. This is what we're doing. The broccoli and cauliflower, here's broccoli over there, there's the cauliflower. As you remember, we started them off due to the winds that we have experienced, ripping them out of the ground as young seedlings. What we've done is we actually put row covers on. Them row covers was a godsend. The row covers have helped our broccoli and our cauliflower improve. Now then, what's my fertilizer? Started off with 20-20-20 liquid fertilizer. That was the initial fertilizer I put on, and then well, we did a starter fertilizer first, milder on the nitrogen, more emphasis on the phosphorus and potash, but then we're switching over. Once the plants kind of started putting on new leaf, then I started pushing calcium nitrate at a rate of 5 pounds of calcium nitrate per acre on the crop. So we are putting clothespins on our cauliflower to try to make them nice and white. Help that out. Let me put this back on before I lose it. But we have really nice heads of cauliflower, and our broccoli is called Imperial. I do not remember the cauliflower name, but broccoli is called Imperial, and we treated them the same way. We have broccoli at different stages. You can see we've harvested a little bit, but getting some very nice broccoli. And I think the big, and we, like I said, the big thing is we just started to see them heading out and that type of thing. Calcium nitrate at a rate of 5 pounds per acre liquid fertilizer is what we're using. If you're going with, I don't know what fish meal is, or at that rate, and I don't know what to I don't know what that is, right? I don't know how you calculate that, but the rate of 5 pounds per acre is how we're doing it. And that's was the question come up, is how you guys getting nice cauliflower and nice broccoli. I don't know if it makes any difference, but I will say that the black fabric, planting them in black fabric is the way to go. Getting them with a healthy start. This is reused from the previous year. It's the reason why you see a lot more holes. This was onions a year ago. And the same drip water line and all that. We have all of this in here, and they are growing fabulous. Wish we didn't have the weeds, but there's one. That guy will be going to the Overbrook farmers market. Look at the size of that nice one, and they can continue to get bigger even yet. That's a big, there's my hand for size comparison. Beautiful broccoli. And like I said, whoop, that one did not. Yep, that one popped open. That one's done. That we need to just cut that guy. We'll use his little florets for ourselves. But look how nice and tight that particular cauliflower is there. Got some beautiful ones. Like I said, we got them. We have them clothespined up, so this way it protects our cauliflower. So that's how you make them white. And for those of you who are interested in growing good cauliflower and broccoli, I will say planting them here in zone 6 near Topeka, Kansas. We are at the 1st of March is when we put them in the ground in black plastic. We put a row cover over them. We watered them, used a starter fertilizer, liquid fertilizer when we first planted them. They never did receive any other fertilizer other than my commercial liquid fertilizer from Miller. That's who we bought our stuff from. I have other videos on that. Folks, if you like these types of videos, do us a favor, hit that like and subscribe. Come grow with us.